brand new product. This is the big one you can see. This is the XL3B electric power lift massage chair. It's black. It comes in two boxes. It's so big. So we take these out of the boxes. I'm going to show you how to build them. And we'll show you how they work. So this is something I want to talk about. It's in the box. They have this piece of cardboard here to prevent you from cutting the actual fabric of the chairs. Let's keep going. So you finish the first box, which I believe is box 2 of 2. Move the second box first. The second box The second box includes the back and the arms. All the parts are covered in this bubble wrap to keep it safe in transit, as well as there's some pieces of foam, really soft foam in there to keep it from getting scratched. So let's get on to the next box, which is next to the first box. So box number 2 actually includes the guide as well as the electrical bits, which includes your massage remote, an extender remote, and then your power cords as well. To assemble this, you're going to put the arms on the unit and the back on the unit, and then I'll show you how to do the wiring, and then you're good to go. Right, so the couch is very comfortable. It's great proportionately for a larger person like myself. Got really good solid arms, cushions, 2 cup holders, side pouches. You got front pouches here as well. And then you've got your 2 different remotes. I haven't tightened these cords a little bit yet, but fire up the massage. Let's try powering up the massage. Okay, so we got leg, thigh, lumbar, and back. All those are pulsating at the exact same time. We got high, medium, low, and then we got M1, M1, M2, 3. There's different modes. You just got heat. And you can set between 1, 2, and 3 for heat. You can also set them as massage of 50 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. So that's really nice. But the really cool feature, of course, extended. And we're reclining. That's comfortable. Ah, actually, even better. Now retracting. If you want it to retract it, it's going to actually start to lift you up to make it easier for you to stand out of the chair. So this is the height in which you can just gently and easily stand up. Then you can gently sit back into it and recline back into a normal seated position. Which is this, where you can again relax. It's incredibly easy to set this chair up with the arms, the back, set the grooves. Do not lift it from the back. It's incredibly comfortable. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time, and you should pick up one of these chairs. Goodbye.